Welcome to another DevStream summary video. This DevStream summary video is a summary of the stream that occurred on the 4th of February. During the week, while working on a few bug fixes, I thought it would be a good idea to display the No Man's Sky news from their Steam news page. The Steam news page is designed in such a way that it is a little bit difficult to get the data from their page in a nice way. So I had to resort to web scraping. To web scrape, I wrote a script that would make requests to the Steam news page, then look through their response and extract out the important information. There's also a Steam news RSS feed, which has the news data in a more structured form, but does not have all the data that I want. So I ended up making use of both of these and joining the data together from the two sources. While doing all of this, I had a look at the site that most No Man's Sky players look at to see if the experimental branch of No Man's Sky got updated, the Steam database. It didn't take too long to get all the Steam branch data scraped from their site as well. It's great having this data in an easier format to use, and it also means that other developers can use this data from the AssistantNMS services, but what I really want to do is monitor for changes. For example, if the No Man's Sky Steam experimental branch gets updated, it would be nice to let people know on Twitter or via push notification. Let's first get this data displaying nicely in the apps. During the stream, I made a new page that would hold all of this No Man's Sky Steam data. However, I've been receiving quite a bit of feedback asking for patch notes to be included in the apps. They are already in the apps, but are a bit hidden under all the menus. Currently, you would need to tap on More in the draw menu, then Hello Games, and then on either the News or Release Notes link. The Hello Games section used to be in the main drawer of the app, but after adding so many pages, it got moved to the rarely visited More page. So the new page I wanted to make would incorporate all the news feeds in one place, saving me from adding 2 pages to the draw menu. I wanted this page to make use of the material tabs in order to switch between the different pages. This turned out to be pretty complicated. I couldn't find a tab view that I liked. The first one we tried was a bit too basic and didn't have the options I wanted, like centering the title of the page or adding a home button. Next, we tried to use the same buttons that are used on the community mission page, but the text would end up being too long and would cut off the words, especially in other languages that have longer words. So I suggested we make use of tiles, like in the catalog page. But no one liked there being even more tabs to view these news pages. We then tried this really cool tab bar that made use of icons and only showed the name of the page when it was selected. We used this while building the pages for quite a while before I realized there is no back button. This is fine for Android devices, as we usually have back buttons, but on iOS, they do not and would end up being stuck on the page. So we gave up and made use of the bottom bar. I quite like how it ended up looking. However, as one of the Twitch viewers pointed out, it isn't consistent with the rest of the app. So if you have any ideas or suggestions on how to improve the look and feel of the page, please leave a comment or head over to our Reddit page and submit some ideas or suggestions, or even comment on the possible solutions posted there, like Lenny's mockup. In other news, the assistant for No Man's Sky is now also available on the Huawei App Gallery. So if you like Android and don't like using the Google Play Store, you now have another way to download the app. There wasn't really a need for this since the Huawei App Store has a really tiny percentage of the mobile app market share, but now I can say that the app is on 3 stores. I might try the Amazon App Store again. Last time I tried, I struggled to get any helpful support from them. Maybe they have improved. The upgrade module stats feature will be unlocking for everyone quite soon. When this video is made public, there will be around 9 days left before it unlocks. If you just can't wait to see the feature working in the apps and you can support the apps, please check out my Patreon. Huge thank you to all of my Patreon supporters. I really appreciate all the help and I hope that you all enjoy the exclusive features, early access to videos, and posts. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons with your most stylish clicks, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!